this video, I will show you how to create an account on Ryanair. So, open Ryanair like this first. So, after that, if you already have an account, click on sign up. But if you are new on Ryanair, click login. And sign up, sorry. So, create an account, confirm, click continue right now. Choose an email and a password. Right now, guys, I add my email and my password. Click continue then. So they will send you like a verification code to your email. You have to enter it here. So I will add it right now. And I will click right now on continue. And they said, please wait. They are creating my account now. Email verified, as you see. Right now, I have to verify my identity. Take a photo of your ID. Click OK. Continue. Click yes. Click continue. And right now, you have to scan your identity. Wait. And then click look good. Next to confirm. And here take a picture of the back of your ID. Click check and click looks good. So right now this is my they verify my identity. Click continue, and right now I have to take a selfie. Then you can take it by yourself, and then you will verify your account correctly, guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.